So today we have this cat scratcher here. It actually comes in 2 pieces, and they're like wavy, so you can put them together or take them off separately, so that if one wears off, you could just have the other one. But it also does come with some catnip, so you could actually get some of that and sprinkle it in here to make your cat attracted to it. As you can see over here, we have his old cat scratcher. He's quite a fan of the cardboard scratchers, and so we're gonna go ahead and try this one out and see how he likes it. So here I have the catnip open. There's quite a bit in here. You could definitely like not use it all at once, I'd say, because that'd be quite strong for your cat. Start with little dosages. As you could see, I'm sprinkling it around here so that he could get more attached to it and hopefully enjoy it more. But yeah, you could just go ahead and let that in here and just shake it around if you want to get it sifted through the middle. And again, it's in 2 pieces, so it might come out through the other side.